lower 8 IIT safe first code. For IIT Dharwad, 2016 is the establishment year. It was established in 2016. So general 116. Right, friend. This is Amit. As you all have got your answer key and response sheet of JEE Advanced. So I am here with the lower 8 IIT safe first code.
सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते
So that is, if you want to get the tag of IIT minimum marks, how much you need to have in JEE Advanced category wise. I will discuss. Even you can get the IIT at 50 marks also if you are from reserve category, particularly from SC ST, and for general EWS OBC SC ST all category I will discuss here. Soon I will provide you the separate video for PWD category as well. And also let me inform you, already I have provided the same type of video for top 7 IIT as well. You can check in the I button as well in the description box. So let's get started with the video without wasting your time. For IIT Vilai, that was established in 2016. So general 116 and 112 mark, that is male and female. OBC 110 and 108, and EWS 112, 109, SC 71 and 66, ST 68 and 63. So these are the marks that I have prepared and I'm providing to you based on the current year trend, based on the current year difficulty of the examination, and also after analyzing the cutoff of last 6-7 years, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. So here is the complete information regarding the IIT safer score. For IIT Jammu, that was also established in 2016. General 113, 106, that is male female. After slash, the data is for female student. For EWS 102, 98, and OBC 107, 100, SC 72, 68, ST 55 and 50 marks is required. Now if you talk about for IIT Dharwad, 2016 is the establishment year. General 118, 108 marks, OBC 112, 105 marks, EWS 110 and 100 marks, SC 67, 60 marks, ST 64 and 56 marks. So let me inform you one of the important thing regarding the IIT cutoff. As you will go for the newer IIT, that is newer means lower IIT, older means the better IIT. Top 7 IIT is the oldest IIT of India. So that's why I'm providing you the information, that is in newer IIT the branch number is less. So here if you are getting lower branch means mechanical civil. But if you go for older IIT, top IIT college, the lower branch means dual degree courses or material science engineering, mining engineering, this type of branch, that is too much less demandable. That's why you are getting at low marks also in top IIT. It doesn't mean that you are getting the top IIT at low marks because something other reason is there. The reason is lower branch. But in lower IIT, lower branch means chemical civil. Below that there is no branches available. That's why you are getting similar type of marks. Many of you will think that how same marks is applicable for top IIT and lower IIT. If you will watch my both video, then you can ask this question. That's why I explain the question. Now if you talk about the IIT Tirupati, that was established in 2015, General 115, 109, OBC 105 and 102, EWS 104 and 101, SC 69, 65, ST 59, 53 marks is required. So here I would like to inform you about my complete counseling guidance of JOSA counseling, CSFB counseling, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, private college counseling as well. It is BITSAT, Manipal, VIT, Comet K, AEEE, KSET. All the counseling I will guide you until your admission is done, so that you will get the best college by the end of this academic year, because all counseling you need to try and at last you will join any one college. So all the counseling I will do, choice filling, decision making personally, one-to-one guidance it is. So if you want, you can contact me. There is a nominal charge and all the contact information is available in the description box. Also you can contact through website and app also, that is the link is available in the description box.
So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, Comet K, AEEE or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your details.
Let's continue this video. That is IIT Palakkad. Here is the information. It was established in 2015. General 109, 104 marks, OBC 104, 100 marks, EWS 105, 101 marks, SC 67 and 61 marks, ST 63 and 59 marks. Now if you talk about for ISM Dhanbad, it is, you can say it is older IIT, but earlier it was ISM. Now it is considered as a IIT also. So the general 112, 107, OBC 108, 103, EWS 106, 100, SC 72, 67, ST 70 and 64. Now if you talk about IIT Mandi, so here is the information: general 109, 103, OBC 105, EWS 104, SC 68, ST 58. That is for male student. After slash you can check for female. Now if you talk about for IIT Goa, that was established in 2016 and IIT Mandi was established in 2009. So general 111, 96, OBC 103, 91, EWS 106, 93, SC 17, 65, ST 60 and 56 marks is required. So this was the complete information regarding the lower 8 IIT information, that is say first score. Soon I will try to provide you the average 8 IIT. Already I have provided for top 7 IIT, that is for lower branch, minimum how much marks you need to have to just enter into that IIT college. So soon I will try to provide you for the CSE branch as well, and electronics branch, mechanical branch. Like this video you will get on the same channel. So kindly subscribe the channel, and if you want the guidance regarding admission process to get into best college, best branch, I will discuss about the branch scope also, what you should consider so that your future will be better. Everything I will discuss. So if you want, you can contact me. The information is available in the description box. Thank you.